Hello, what we have here is a Jaquet Droz enamel Fusee pocket watch. It's winds and it sets and it runs. As you can see, there's some chipping around the winding hole. I'm going to set the camera down for a second so I can open up the back, tilt out the movement so that you can see it runs and winds. One moment. Okay, here we are. We have it running. Signed on the movement. Jaquet Droz. It's also signed on the face. Looks like there may be signs of an old repair there. Here's the chain. Sorry, the lighting is not the best here. Gears are moving. Okay, I'm going to tilt it back in. Has a bullseye crystal. Some ripple to the silver on the back. It's been used and it's, 200 plus years old, so it's understandable. Comes with a key. Here's the key. There you have it. Jaquet Droz enamel watch.